Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is the DIY that we'll be working on today. You will be needing 9 of these round mirrors, 2 crystals or gems, and 1 of these mosaic mirrors, popsicle sticks, of course, hot glue gun, and this is an option for if you don't happen to have any gems. I found this at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing that you will be doing is making sure to align your mirrors like so. And the way I see it, they kind of look like 2 flowers kind of. And right after I have decided how I want to arrange them, then I will be turning them upside down, and I will be applying hot glue, as you can see here, and also I will be using that popsicle stick so I can attach the 2 mirrors together. And you will be doing the same thing with each mirror. I will be hanging my design on the wall, and I want to make sure that those mirrors don't go anywhere, so I am being very careful putting enough glue on on each popsicle stick, making sure that they're not gonna go anywhere. Now, what's great about working with hot glue is that it dries instantly, so I am able to work on the other side of my design right away. And for these I will be using 2 mirrors, and then I will take off the frame. And for the bare mirrors, as you can see here, I'm using some of these mosaic squares, and I'm just decorating them, making that design my very own. I'm making it kind of edgy, but at the same time glamorous. And when you are working on a project like this one, you have to make sure that you are very patient, and you might not finish in one day. It took me 2 days to finish this project, but the outcome was just wonderful. Once I'm done putting on each individual mosaic square, then I went back and reinforced it with hot glue. Now I am cleaning up these mirrors because guess what? I'm almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of that E6000 glue. Now for the empty frames, I will use that for my design as well. And I didn't use hot glue. You could, but I wanted I just want to make sure that that this design will stay in place. So I let it dry overnight. Now I also went ahead and used some of those mirror squares, and I kind of placed them where I wanted. That's totally optional. Now for the knobs that I already had, I went ahead and positioned one on the middle of each of these circle / spiky type of mirrors. And also, this is totally optional. I think that design would look good without the rhinestones, but I do like bling, so I went ahead and I added some of these rhinestones. And don't forget to apply some of that E6000, because if you only use the adhesive that comes with the rhinestones, they will fall off, especially if you're gonna put it I will be putting this design in my bathroom. So this is how it looks. And again, You know, that E6000 glue is still not, you know, not dried, so I waited a day and this is how it looks like. It looks beautiful, and I went ahead and used 3 more mirrors at the very bottom, and that was just optional as well. I hope that you like this video, and I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.